Hello there. This is a quick resource video to help walk you through the VP review of the program review and planning documents. You've already been invited to the SharePoint site that houses our program review and planning completed documents. We'll provide you the link. You'll enter that or click on the link in your email and we'll get you right to the site we need to go. Here you'll see the team for program review and planning. It houses the 2022-23 instructional PRP documents for review listed by division. So you'll see arts, media, business administration, career, technical and extended education, languages and literature, math, science and engineering, social behavioral sciences, and student services. So to note before we get started, you will see that some of these PRPs are comprehensive reviews while others are an annual review. We do PRP or program review on a 3-year cycle. In year 1 of the 3-year cycle, departments will complete a comprehensive program review. In year 2 and 3 of the cycle, departments will do an annual review. I'm not sure why the cursor is clicking there, but hopefully it's not too much. So we'll open this up. We'll start with the art design PRP. And you will see, yes, this opens up for AMBA art design. We've got our chair listed here. We have a link to the PRP for viewing. We have our dean review of the PRP, which happens for all PRPs. In this case, it also has a peer review noted here. That's for all of our comprehensive PRPs. Our annuals won't have a peer review. They will only have a dean and a VP review. So what we'll do here is we'll scroll back up. We'll click on the link to view the PRP. And here is you'll see all the goodness about the programs. Basic program information. You've got your program completions here, course information, curriculum alignment, mapping, scheduling, career labor market data. We've got our goals and our resource requests. So once you finish reading the PRP, you can go back to this tab here and you will see that you can scroll down, read that dean review, read that the peer review, and then you'll be able to enter your assessments here of the PRP. So we're going to start with the VP review of strengths. We're going to add here strengths of the program. We'll save that submission. It'll show up right there. We'll go to any VP review, any concerns you might have. No concerns at this time, hopefully. Any recommendations you may have of the program, you're going to list here. Save that information as well. When you see all of your information is saved, you can say yes. The VP does approve the review of this PRP. And you will write your name or type your name and then the date of your review. And that's it. All of the information will be stored here and sent back to department leads who completed the PRP so that they can address any suggestions or edits suggestions for edits to the PRP or things to consider as the department moves forward in the next upcoming years, all by the dean, by the peer review team, as well as the VP. And once you've completed that, you just go ahead and pop on back over to these other tiles and open up your next tile and provide your VP assessment there as well. If you have any questions, please let us know and we will be able to assist and walk you through.